Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to your website hosting via FTP. Um, I had gotten videos on or questions on how to connect via SSH, so I figured I would also show you guys how to connect to your server using FTP. Um, Firstly, you're going to want to download an FTP client, and this is a program that visually allows you to see what's on your computer and at the same time what's on your server, so you can upload and download between them. And a very popular one that's free that I use all the time is called FileZilla. I think it's a Mozilla project. But download FileZilla to your computer. Assuming you're using Windows, I think they also have it available for Linux and iOS. So operating system shouldn't be an issue. Download FileZilla, open it up, have your FTP details ready. You can find these details in your hosting control panel. So right here, I have opened up FileZilla. I'm just going to make it smaller so I can see my details here. So what you'll want to do is go to File, Site Manager, and here it says My Sites. Click New Site. I'm going to put in the name of my website so I know what this info is. And then we're going to fill out the information. So this is FTP. If you're connecting via SFTP, you would select that here from the dropdown. But since I have regular FTP, we will choose FTP. The host name is going to be this right here. I believe you can either use the IP or the host name, but I'll go ahead and choose the host name here. Copy it in here. The port is 21, so we'll put that here. Login type is normal. The username you'll get from your credentials, so it's this one. And then the password, I know that. And that should be it. So once you're ready to connect, just hit connect. It will offer to save your passwords. I always have it saved. That way, when I'm ready to come back in again, I can just click on scottsweb.dev and click connect. I don't have to enter any information again. So I'll have it save my password. And the first time you log into any server, you will get this message that says the certificate is unknown. If you're logging into a server for the first time and you see this message, just go ahead and click OK. You can also click this button that says always trust this certificate in future sessions. That way this doesn't come up again. But if it does come up again, just click OK. So now you can see in the FTP program here, we have our server contents on the right and our computer contents on the left. So let's say that I wanted to download this index.php file. What I would do is I would select the directory where I want to save it on the left. So since this is our computer, I'll click on desktop and then I'll right click in here. I can create a directory. So I'll just put in my website's name and then we'll go into this folder. And now to download this from our server to our computer, all we have to do is double click on it. That's it. Now we have a copy of it on our computer. I'll go ahead and open my desktop here and show you. So it's right here in the folder I just created on my desktop. Let's say we made some changes to it and we save it. To upload it back to the server, all we have to do is double click on it on this side. So we'll do that. It's going to ask if we want to overwrite it. I'll click overwrite, so our new changes will appear. And that's it. We've downloaded this file to our computer. We made some edits and then we uploaded it back to the server. And now the server has the changes that we made. You can download lots of directories by clicking on them and then holding the Alt button and click what else you want to download. And then if you select multiple ones, you can't double click. So just when you have them highlighted, right click and choose download. You can also do that on a single file as well. Like I could have done that on index, download. If you want to select all of them, just click the first one, hold down Shift, click the last one, and then you can right click and download. You can also create new directories over here, like we did on this side on our computer. You can change file permissions over here. Like if you just right click on something and go to file permissions, you can change them if that's what you want to do. So it's a really simple interface. If you just remember your computer's on the left, the remote server's on the right. It's pretty easy to upload and download between your server and computer. Next time you come in, let's say we close this and let's open FileZilla. And we want to connect to our site again, just go to Site Manager, select our site. The information's already pre-filled. Just click Connect, and we're connected to our site again. FTP is very useful. You can actually update your site that way. If you're not using GitHub or a repo, you can just make changes, upload, overwrite your files. It's not the best way to do it, but it can be done.
Someone was detected at your front door.
Sorry about that. Yeah, it's really simple to do, and it's a great way to like download backups too. So hope this video was helpful for you. I've got lots more how-to videos coming up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have a video recommendation for a tutorial, let me know and I will try to get to it. Thanks for watching.